Well, hey everybody, welcome back. Stephen here, Northwest Small Batch Brewing, and it is another single malt Sunday. I have a new single malt to try here. If you recall, not last time, but the time before, maybe you'll recall, I had a whiskey that's behind me here called Arran from the Isle of Arran in Scotland, and it was really good, sherry cask finished. Um, and if you recall, I said that there is a sister distillery on that island that's made, basically it's the same company, the same distillery company, but it's on the other side of the island, and that is today's whiskey, Lagg. Funny story, I guess, about this is that I had to order this. We didn't sell it here where I live, and I thought I was ordering it from a U.S. website, and it was taking forever to get here. And then I saw something that said something about, oh, it's going through customs. And I thought, what? So I went back to the website, and even though everything about that website looks US, it actually came from Slovenia, believe it or not. So there you go. It did get here though, but roundabout way, I would say. All right, so let's take a look at this. 55% ABV. So we're talking cask strength. I'm going to see if I can open this. I hate when they put these, I mean, I get it. They don't want the cork to come off, you know, but these plastic, oh boy. They put these plastic seals that I may need to get a knife here. It's got this strip on it that's, I think, supposed to be for opening it, but it obviously doesn't work. Ow. Let me go get a knife. Almost. Anyway, so this is a cask strength whiskey. There we go. This is the weirdest knife too. I'm gonna put that away so I don't hurt myself. Let me open this and pour it so then I'll continue talking about it. That way it gives it a little bit of time to breathe. All right. Okay, here we go. So this is the difference between this and the Arran that I had a few weeks back is this one is peated. So this distillery of theirs they have separate from their regular distillery, and they call their peated expressions Lagg. It is also finished in Oloroso sherry. So it is a sherry cask finish, just like the Arran, but it is peated. And there's not much else to say about it as far as that goes. This is the, it says right on the bottle, I don't know how you pronounce this, Core Cravy edition. I'm sure I'm not saying that correctly, but anyway. I think that they go through a lot of these expressions. So it smells meaty, if that makes sense to you. If you ever had a peated scotch that they can have different smoke, can have different flavors or different aromas. A lot of times you get campfire or even like ash and sooty. This one's meaty. And that sort of mixes with the sherry. It's not my favorite aroma when it comes to peated. I like peated whiskey, but I don't like that sort of meaty smoke. Well, let's see what it tastes like. I got some cork in there. Huh. Interesting. Ooh, it's definitely 55%. Wow. So much flavor with that, you know, higher ABV. A lot of sherry. This one, I'm gonna get a little bit of water in it. I want to see if we can get some of the flavors to kind of come out. I think I did that with the Arran as well. We'll see how that goes. Very warming, obviously. That definitely seems to have muted a little bit of the peatedness. I'm getting more of a retro nasal burn on the nose now with that water. Less sherry and meatiness on the nose now that I added water. Ooh. Now I think it was better without adding the water. It's lost some of the berry flavor. It is more burny up in your nose. Interestingly enough, yeah, I think that's better. Well, so here's what I think. My final parting thoughts here on this particular whiskey. I think if you don't add water to it, it tastes good. However, for a sherry cask peated whiskey, I have better ones on my shelf that cost less. So it's just not bad, and I will definitely drink it. But I have better ones that I like better, that have better flavor. For me, the big thing about this one is that it has this like meaty flavor to it, or scent to it and flavor to it, from combining the peat and the sherry, and it's not super pleasant. I would have preferred to have it be more like campfire peaty. I'm not sure what kind of malt they used to do it, but it's definitely not like an Ardbeg, or something like that. So anyway, for the price, I would say don't get it. It's not that it's a bad whiskey. It's just for that price, there's just better ones out there. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you being here, having a whiskey with me. And I'll be back when I get another bottle sometime. Sláinte.